Hi everyone. Welcome to the most amazing Top 5 YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 alien close encounters. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. 5 Earth vs. the Flying Saucers, 1956. This was one of the best saucer movies of the 50s, with excellent special effects for its time, including the frequently seen stock footage of plastic model saucers flying over Washington, D.C. The malevolent aliens were clearly here to take over the planet, with displays of force such as blowing up buildings. The film conveyed the fear and panic that many people expressed regarding the invasion of saucers over the USA in the 1950s, and the military response to the alien menace. For the UFO Incident, TV movie, 1975. This teleplay of Fuller's The Interrupted Journey has wonderful, low-key, and believable performances by Estelle Parsons and James Earl Jones as Betty and Barney Hill. A thoughtful portrayal of the granddaddy of all UFO abductions, this movie accurately portrayed the confusion and angst felt by the Hills as they tried to come to terms with memories of their experience. 3 Euphoria, 1980. This is a sadly underrated story of a checkout clerk played by Cindy Williams, who thinks she's been chosen by aliens to carry their message of peace to the masses. She attracts quite a following, and there's lots of resemblance to Elmer Gantry when her boyfriend begins exploiting her as a contactee who is acting as the alien's ambassador. But then it seems the government is taking her seriously for some reason. To the Abyss, 1989. In James Cameron's film, unidentified underwater objects, UUOs, turn out to be curious aliens. Given that much of the Earth is covered by water and much of the ocean's depth is still unexplored in detail, it makes perfect sense that aliens might choose to establish a base on the ocean floor, undisturbed by humans. Again, this is partly based on claims that there are underwater UFO bases off the eastern seaboard, at the bottom of Lake Ontario and within the Bermuda Triangle. The stunning effects and cinematography make this film an outstanding first contact story. 1 Close Encounters of the Third Kind, 1977. This was a grand tour of ufology, with pre-X-Files government conspirators, UFO fanatics, and early abduction themes. Richard Dreyfuss is outstanding as an average guy whose UFO experience turns his life upside down. The railway crossing scene, where he gets burned by a close brush with a UFO, is memorable and taken from witnesses' narratives of actual close encounter reports. The movie is also noted for its attention to detail from actual UFO sightings and the people who study them. The French scientist working with the American government is patterned after Jacques Vallée, while noted ufologist Dr. J. Allen Hynek actually makes a cameo appearance during the climactic scene towards the end where the mothership finally lands. The movie's title refers to the most extreme of the UFO encounter categories defined by Hynek in his research. The first kind is a sighting within 500 feet. The second kind is a case in which physical traces are noted. The third kind is contact with aliens. Thanks for watching.